Hi guys! I haven't done that much landscaping. Well, that much is an overstatement. I haven't done any landscaping since I got to Spain in March. We had lockdown and we had a lot of stuff. So yeah, I've been doing some photography, other stuff, but now I wanted to, I don't know the area, so first I need to scout. And I have everybody. I have my wife, I have my kids, I have 2 dogs. So I'm not gonna be able to walk a lot, but and go far. So not far from my home is this area here. It's called Monte Coto. Put it here on the screen. It is it's a beautiful area actually. I don't see. I'll drive up there. I didn't see many obvious photos, but that doesn't mean they're not to be found. It is very often when friends or somebody you know recommends a location for you. I know I go there a lot and it's amazing, and it is. But there is this thing with photography that even if a place looks completely amazing when you're there, and you may be hiking, you have a wonderful hike in a great company, and your experience and your memory is good, and it was a beautiful area, that doesn't necessarily mean it has photos. Having said that, every place has a photo, so you just have to find them. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna fly my drone, look over the area a little bit, see if I see something interesting.
I'm coming home to my lady, still got a long way to go.
So from the drone, the area looks interesting. There is, especially I think I got some nice aerial stills from my drone. I'm gonna walk a little bit here around and take my regular camera, see if I can find anything interesting to shoot. Let's go take a look.
Too bad the all my bridges burned down. I'm so close to love.
So, in between the trees now, trying to find something interesting. I don't even know what I'm looking for. I'm just spending a nice Sunday afternoon doing stuff with my family and scouting, seeing if there's anything to have here close to my home. This is pretty close to my home, like I mentioned, and it would be awesome if there was, something here to do for sunrise or something one day. I mean, it is a beautiful spot. The trees are kind of young, but for woodland, it's not the worst. It's not the best, but it's not the worst. I have never been an expert in woodland photography. Well, for the simple fact that I lived in Iceland for most of my life, and there are no trees there. So I've been looking at YouTubers like Simon Baxter, and I'm interested in taking a look at woodland photography. And so So the next order of business is finding a woodland, because that is absolutely necessary for woodland photography. But now I seem to have lost my flock. That sucks, because they have all the food and I'm hungry. They must be near. They can't get far. One puppy, one 11-year-old dog, a 4-year-old and a 7-year-old, and a woman with a limp. I can actually tell you why she has a limp. We fight. We practice Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, and on Saturday we had a fight and I won. Yeah, baby.
Times right now are nothing like they used to be. Times right now are nothing like they used to be. I tell you the truth, but you don't want my word from me. I've seen better days, and now I'm putting up with these. I've seen better days, and now I'm putting up with these. I had a way better time with the women down in New Orleans. 'Cause I'm from the country, she thinks that I am easy to rule.
So now it's time to head back. Even if it's close to sunset, I'm not gonna walk with my kids in this dark place after sunset, so that's the point, being back to the car before sunset. But I have some photos, nothing crazy. It was, like I said in the beginning, a scouting trip. And I would say that this place definitely has some, yeah, it is well worthwhile to come here again and spend more time. So now I know, about 20 minutes from my house, I have this area. The only thing that if I would, you know, try to be here at sunrise, I would have to drive in the night, and the road up here isn't that great, and it goes through a village. I'm gonna see on the way back if I can bypass that village, because the roads there between the houses are super narrow. And yeah, I was lucky not. I'm lucky still that I still have my mirrors on my car that narrow. But beautiful town. That might actually be a worthwhile place to shoot also. And on the way here in the you know, in these countryside in southern Spain, there's a lot of nice coloration. You can see it here in the drone shot, and you can see how the ground is colored depending on what grows there. And sometimes there's a tree sticking out, you know, lonely tree sticking out, which I do like. Simple stuff. And so it is well worthwhile also to just to drive around and jump out of the car if you see something. Hit and run. But anyway, this has been a great day we spent here in the in this forest, and with the kids and the dogs, and we had some sandwiches and stuff. And like I said, photography is not necessarily about the end photo for me, the end result. Yeah, I would like to get a photo, beautiful photo every time, but if I don't care. This is what it's about. Because if I weren't shooting, I would probably not be here. I would just be, you know, at home, spending a quiet Sunday afternoon, which is fine too, but this is so much better. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.